Our client base at Bennettbrooks is very diverse in terms of the size, the location, and particularly the industry sectors that our clients are in. But when I'm speaking to them, there's always a common theme that ties them all together, and that's that they want their tax returns to be compliant and accurate, but they also want to be efficient. They don't want to pay any more tax than they absolutely have to, and that's perfectly natural. So the way I go about these discussions with clients to see, first of all, what can we do to save tax for the business, and that can be various different arrangements or plans within the rules, such as R&D tax credits, claiming the right amount of tax relief, not claiming the right amount of tax relief if you're not entitled to it, to make sure that the tax returns are all correct. And then as the life cycle of the business moves on, we often come to talk about how to exit and extract value from the business in a tax efficient way. So that can either involve an outright sale of a business, attracting investment into the business, or selling it onto the next generation, perhaps including the family members. And equally more recently, given the changes in last year's budget, is how you then pass a business on to the next generation, because obviously there were changes to business property relief and agricultural relief which apply for inheritance tax. So taking all these aspects together is really the only way to try and plan for the business owner and the family's future. Taking all these aspects into account and looking at the bigger picture for the whole family as well as all their business affairs is the way that I would approach these kind of discussions with my clients. So if you feel that any of those points I've mentioned resonate with you, please feel free to pick up the phone or drop me an email.